Okay. So we need to change icon on the settings page. There are like few of them. I'll let you know the name of those icon from the library. For budget and categories, for auto sync, hmm, yes. Let's see what else do we have. Okay. Okay. We have one viewer. If you're new to the chat, just drop a hi into the chat so I know you are there. Okay, icons. This is perfect. There's a usual problem over here. Mhm. You can set up your monthly income, and for the open budget, you can leave the income empty, and it is automatically assumed as open budget. Like this, rewrite it to make it simple. You can just rewrite it from the. Okay, we have another viewer. Welcome to the stream, and this is the day first of the live vibe coding, and we are doing Pebble. It's like monthly like budgeting app. You can like track through every expenditure of from the whole month. Just scan your email and catch everything, like all these payment and receipts for you, and gives you the basically the whole idea how where and how you are spending your money. And yeah, so okay, cursor. Okay, we're back. So, just this is the pop-up when someone click on any of this category, it open uh, this pop-up, and this basically replace the previous pop-up we have the center, and use the same pop-up we created for the sheets and the transcription, and just upload this data into it. And I also want to rename the title uh, on the categories from connections to categories. Okay, meanwhile, we'll just fix this thing. The entry for the open, this is some preferences, auto sync, please. Always the emails. Okay, we have this logout button. Okay. Okay. Yes. Hey, welcome to the stream. So we're building app, mobile app, which already built. I'm just doing some changes, refining the UX a bit more. The basic idea of this app, day to day, analyze all the expenditures or transaction happening, and then at the end you can get the overall idea of how much you spent this month. And basically, just you have to just connect your main Gmail account with it, and it automatically scrape every day and it save all this data on your mobile. This is totally like based locally on your mobile. There's no cloud services and everything, so there is no mm, uh, like security breach until unless your mobile is hacked, then everything will be gone. But at that stage, the database on your mobile is also uh, like have some different. What do you say? Yep, encryption, so they cannot just get the database and see. They have to like just but decrypt the data, and then they can see what is on your mobile. Okay, I think this pop-up is ready. I think this is perfect. And let's add another category where see how what this category should be. We have groceries, online shopping, utilities, and receive, decline, fuel. What else? Hmm. Okay, here we have some things. Uh, okay, we have some other stuff to do, but we'll do it later. Uh, all right. So let's add another category. What should we add here? Hmm, hmm. Okay, we have this. Fix opening. Okay, select categories. Ah, I see. There's a problem from the back end. Okay. I see. Okay. Okay, okay, I was just working. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Jesus. Shoot. They were having some great problem. Hmm. Hmm. Because right now, when I just deactivate any category and go back to add a new receipt or anything, it uh, shows the category field there. And then we come back to the categories page, it automatically deactivate that category. Okay, we have that idea. Let's make this same design system. Mm. In the category pop-up, can you add a like delete button? I am attaching the Figma MCP link. You can get the design reference. Okay, okay. If you are on a live stream, just hit a like button, please. If you have any questions about regarding vibe coding, everything, the UI UX, or any other question, just drop in the chat. I'll try my best to answer your questions. Edit category, edit, okay, change, let me change to this thing. Also, make sure to fix the title with edit. Just edit category. Just add the name of the category, so they know. Uh, this is perfect. Mm, uh, this see what we have. Should category. Okay, now we have delete button. Let's just create a random. Ah, I have like another problem. Okay. Well, this is updated design monthly income budget card. Oh, just add like instruction where it says if they empty, they keep the input empty. It uh, assume as like open budget. Nope, 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 nope. Open, not open. Show. Okay, what else? This. Go to there. Then output. Oh, then again. Oof. Hmm. The problem we're having is kind of Okay, perfect. We turn off this, go back, come back here. Okay, open the seat page. And okay, we having a. I think we need a save button. That is something. Yeah, do previously we not have any save button. Maybe it's happening on the browser, I guess. The category is done. Let's go with the sync pref. Yes. So this page is for sync preferences. So basically, we take out the keywords and the block merchant and the merchant which mark as mine into this page, and will make the email to just have the email show the email which are connected there, and this option to log out and the or the refresh tokens, and rest of any preferences, any date or any like duration to import data will be in the same preferences. So while crawler is working on the Gmail, it basically go through all the keywords you added into this app, and it gets all the transaction related to Netflix, OpenAI, Spotify, Cloud, and then add it to your monthly budget day to day. See, previously we did some changes, like we have this block uh, merchant on the top, which as a new user do not understand what it is about. And now we have like block merchant mark as mine, and similarly previously we do not have the like tap on it to see all the detail of a receipt. It just shows you this uh, card and row. Now we have like even edit option and note you can add to any transaction. Hmm. So basically, you can also like uh, add manually, and you can also like scan your receipt or bill or any screenshot you send money to someone. It basically scan it. AI will then refine all the data, then add it to your receipt. You can just see and just save button. But when it's come crawling through Gmail and everything, it automatically see AI clean up the data and then just add into your monthly expenditure or transactions. So okay, at so uh, previously the settings looked something like this. Here we have this. This is DeepSeek. I think easier win is for us to just create this currency page now. Okay, just see what is there. It is making something. Import duration. We have duration? No, we do not have the duration. Yeah, yes, I can. I think like, can you remove the import duration from scene preferences? Okay, nope, nope. Okay, wrong. I think this is extra, but like, okay, I think it's done. Let's remove scene preferences. Okay, now let's have Netflix. So, can we add the demo data for block merchant and mark as mine? And I think he did something wrong. Yep, this thing. These are like white. Yep, inputs all wrong. I got it. Yes. Let me go back to this icon and see. Ah, okay. It is doing wrong. And with the recent pop-up you made for the categories and everything, I see uh, you do not follow the Figma design. I want you to use the input bar we have on the add receipt or add manual data. I want to use the same style we have and make sure we have in this input field as a component. And next time, whenever I want you to make this input, you choose this component instead of just creating a new component. Okay, okay, just add dummy data there. Okay, this is perfect. The icon is wrong. I needed to like give it this, or maybe we can use something else. Let's remove the X. Okay, so this repeat reload icon, can we add it like cross icon here? I think that is like more appropriate. Then here they can just uh, remove the vendor from the blog or mark as mine. Okay, I think so. Yep, yep, yep. I think now it's perfect. Also for We also want the same thing for the keywords input, and the keywords fields should have the same background as the input. Okay, now this is more appropriate, and this selection. This input bar should be similar to what we have recently created the component uh, and one we are using throughout the app. Let's go to the this is a new layout for the auto sync where we have like input like a port and a toggle, and we have like time selector. Previously we have this input bar, and I also wanted to keep the timestamp we have there like different. mm, and this new the time selector, they can like tap on arrows to go one integer plus or minus, and they can also like type into it. Yeah, this is turn. This is turn two. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. And let's go back. Okay, notification is like just toggle on and off currencies, and then we have like okay, this is perfect. Embed this emails. Okay, nice. I like it. Since we have everything there, email connector, then it's like stay about. Now we can remove this thing. Yeah, I like this thing. Just have like a number there. Okay, I see the problem. There's like this six, and we have like just like zero. Of Okay, we have 4 person watching. Okay, we have 2 viewers. So let's see how to see. Okay, okay. If this is something. Mm, Hour and the minute is fine, but you uh, AM PM selector is not looking so good. Touching the Figma section link, you can get the design layout and everything, and just rebuild it. Select things. But I think we should have the few. Yep, we should have this. Like pre-made things. We can choose like this. Uh, I think this font is not what we are using. Let's use. Okay, and okay, I think this is not looking so good. Hmm, I think there is a problem with our this is fixed to this. Oh, I think so I updated the structure. Now the or and the min step are within a container, and we have like a fixed width for the MPM. And hmm, okay, what else we have? Okay, we have the AI thing. We will do the AI later. Just we'll do the just a screenshot. Um, from my live app, I will select data and then okay, and send it via blip the reference. Okay, twice. So okay, so we have this thing. Ta- ta- So this is the live data. How many seats we have on the June is 75, July 95, August 42, and this app actually realize how much I'm spending on Food Panda every month, and I was like spending around 50 to 60K on this ordering takeaways and so. But this month, inshallah, we are just at 11K. Mhm. Okay, let's see what it has built. Okay, it is having oof, trouble to just. Hmm, you can make it a simpler one, I guess. In the setting, it should not be have this much crazy stuff. I guess we could make it simple. Just remove this. Let's make input uh, of just copy it from um, we are making we are doing too ambitious pages, and we can what we can do. We can have the, we need an extra. Okay, just check them. Okay, should we have? Okay, we can have fields on the top and. Hmm, hmm. I think we can remove this entirely. Hmm. Maybe someone has the OCD to just resync every data is like 849. Nah, it's not got up here. Okay. But yes, yes. If someone have a nap, we need to add this thing. Hmm. Hmm. Should have to. Okay, we'll do this. Hmm. Mhm. I can do this. I'll go to this. Hmm. Hmm. Add another thing, and they can just simply tap on it to just switch it between A and BM. But I'm not sure with these fields and in these are how we can. Uh, oh, okay. Okay, select time. They can like select the pre. Uh, Uh, I think for now, just this is this is good for now, and we are ditching this. This will make something someday. Okay, so this is the new select time card. We are making it really simple. We have like a pre-selected time chips, and we have like input bar. Where at the one time they can add the time, and on the other hand they can like have this AM button. They can like it's just a toggle. They can click on it to change it to toggle between AM PM and and क्या होगा? And I think sure guys. Uh, okay, I think we need to make a slight change here. So we have like, for example, 9. Just give it a right example of 9 to 5. Okay, like this. And I think, okay. Hmm, then we have like, okay, currency. Okay, just pick up the, and this is the new and updated style for the currency. And so previously we have active currency background, and now we have just to mention and the active currency. We have this check mark at the opposite end of the card. It is pretty much similar to what we are doing before, but with this, yeah. Oh shit, no problem. Just go here, copy transfer. What else? Hmm. Okay. Back. Hmm. Okay, we were working. Okay, next is more connected email. We are also removing the navigation bar from the currency page as well, and we add the save currency where we have the navigation bar right now. Okay, did this, okay. This is perfect. Now it's perfect, I guess. On we just AM PM to toggle everything, and then we can just make it like 805. Okay, we're still working on currency page. Then we have like email, then we work on the connect AI, then we have data, export data, and I think export data should be with and yes. Why do I have extra tab for export data? Since we have this, yep, we have basic data, delete all, and then we have like export. Okay, we can like hmm, we're gonna move all of these, and we can like add a pop-up where we show all these August, then number of receipts, total amount, and then we have yep, yep. Then we have like three options: delete, resync, and export data, which is technically Excel CSV. And like if you maintain this one, you can also maybe later on I can add the option to get the data of whole year. You can app, then you can maybe that also can help you in the taxation. Okay, that is for the future modules. Okay, now what did he do with the currency? This is not the UI. Okay, this is how I want the new currency layout within the. I want them to a single container, and I think just let figure it out. Yeah, I want this to use original Figma logo. Okay, I guess we can stay here, but okay, then we have these connected emails. Let's just design the data page. Let's go to this. Because here's refresh of the month. Okay, see what. Okay, this is perfect. I love it. So this is how easy to just write code if you have like proper design layout, Figma, MCP connector with any AI agent, either is like uh, open code, Claude. This is really really simple, but in the like starting any project, you have to do some basic things to just create few initial screens, keep it's like keep the font size same, the colors and everything. Then uh, go to this, copy this page link, and go to the Claude and ask him to found out all the similarities and create a design system and design tokens out of it. And then you have like all these tokens, and whenever you and make sure to ask them to include this family font style and everything, and create the text styles based on these like we have here. And then while starting with creating any pages or first few pages, you can just ask AI to go through all these designed Figma tokens and then create a like design system or design sheet within that. And while creating these new components and everything, you can also mention to just okay, you can also like ask AI to just create components of like, for example, we have this navigation bar. It should be a component and used throughout this app, and similar or these like the drop downs, card, and everything which will be using throughout the app. You can ask AI to just create components, and after like few 4 or 5 screens, AI understand everything you have been building. Uh, uh, and one more thing is like to you can see we have these kind of like brackets, merchant brackets, receipts, and everything. With the I call them the white variables. If you so basically it help AI to understand what are these instead of using this dummy text, for example, electricity, the timing, Figma, and everything. It just understand these are the dynamic links or data. And to make sure AI understand this, you can like go wide variables. So I made this skills while doing this thing. This opening this. You can download this skill for free, install into any of your coding agent, Claude, Cursor, and maybe open code, that you have like different patterns. Instead of using a welcome John Doe or any random name, you can just see username. So if your app is like any dynamic database which has a usernames and every different things, you can say with that. For example, and also for example, you have some shade which is like, okay, let me just show you an example. Okay, I think, see, here is like via bank. I just mark it like active, and this is like normal. So I like do not like tell AI to this is. I do not create separate components where we have the active state or the normal state or power state. So AI just understand, go through, see the text, what is this, and then get all these design context. It gets 98 to 95 to 98% of the context, and this is perfect. I think my screen is frozen somehow. Let me just quickly. Okay, my screen was frozen before. Yes, then, and cam. Okay, so it's first day. These things happen. So technically you can AI can basically understand. So I was yapping the whole time. So you can go to the vibevariables.com, download this skill for free, and you have like these question answers. So basically I was talking about these hover states. You can add these to your then thing like active or normal. Make sure you use these like if you are using active or active state, you make sure to use the same y variable throughout the app. So AI has a memory what this y variable is for, and it just understand. For example, if I put this and it have like this, and do not get the styling of the checkbox, but I'm not mad. It's like it's looking good, but most of the time it gets everything. And for example, like this, it has like date category, and it's just simply it gets everything date category and like oh, and the source, which is like which email is it. You can add multiple emails, so that's why you can click on it. You can go through like day by day how much you have spent on that day. And right now it is showing dollar, but For example, if it's set to the PKR, and then it uh, okay, it automatically save it why we need this button. Yep. Okay. So in the currency tab, when I select any currency, it automatically save that. I think then we do not need the save currency button. Yep. So and after a few screens and you build like a app whole and then you test out, then it's like really easy. You just design new screens, keep those vibe variables the same, and then you just uh, give it to AI and this AI build it. Right now, I just look into this. I just found a mistake. Copy this component from the receipt, and it has these receipts and duration. Should not have this. Let me just check. Okay, currency one is fine. Now it is saving. And let me go back to what where we have. Yep. Okay. Uh, okay. Here, what should we have? Like, I think we can have the number of receipts now. यहाँ पे. Okay. In the same preferences, uh, in the each merchant, we have the number of receipts from that merchant, and we have the duration. Can we just remove the duration and keep the total number of receipts of that merchant, which are like locked? Number of receipts, or I think this we can. So going back to this, okay, we have. Okay, let's do the email one. Oh, yep. Sorry, guys. Uh, okay. This is new email page. It just shows the email. We have the icon image first from that. We have the email, the username, which is fetched from the Gmail, and we have the email, and we have like a logout button. Can we also add a refresh button where we can just tap on it and it refresh the tokens uh, from Gmail. Okay, let's drink some water. Sorry, mic was on. Okay. The crazy thing for the cursor, you can have this annotating option and you can go on it, but I can, okay, I can select this, go to this icon, you can adjust the padding by yourself. For example, we have this, I can add it to like 10, oh, sorry, 10, then we have like, okay, I think we have this as well. Okay, I guess we need to do another thing. We make sure we have the fixed width and height of this component, and we have a radius. Yep, we should make it 26, 26, and then we have like padding should be 0, and I think it will. Okay, what is happening? And we can also add another annotation. Uh, okay, 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 okay. uh, and make sure the counter of the email should be in the center of this circle. Shit. Just go to here, transcript, and we got this here. Okay, okay, it is already in center. Okay, perfect. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, we have this refresh button instead of I think refresh. We just had the icon and the font. I think the using. Okay, the crazy thing is I think he's using the same font. I think we just skip the icon. I think we have skip. Okay, now this is perfect. Okay, and the fresh icon. Just keep the icon. I remove the fresh button of no, no, fresh text. Sorry. I then we have like deep seek thing. Yes. Uh, I can use this component. I guess we should choose this one. This more thing. I just said to this. Okay, now we have only the sheets. Uh, Recently, what have we done? Okay, refresh icon of the robot. I think this is perfect. Let's go to connect AI, and we can add a little bit of this instruction. Okay, why AI is necessary. This model is like this deep seek. Um, I think I just add a note here. So, okay, this is free. This might maybe have in this message. Okay, we have this. I think we can keep it at the bottom where usually I use save on locally on this device. I think this is third. We can add the save button. Yep, yep, or not. We should. Oh, hmm, yes, it should, or we have like, yep, we should have save button there. Since these are like the check boxes, this, these are also okay. We can save, save API key. So this is the page, new page for the Connect AI. And on the setting tab, I wanted to just show the um, mm, which is like the OpenAI DeepSeek instead of just showing the model. Then we have Tetra. Okay, this is done. No, I guess I think we need to add a button. Okay, there is an inconsistent between, I guess. Mm. And we also add the like check icon to all the like save changes and buttons we have on within this app. Okay, I think this will help. Yeah. Okay, we have this data thing. Okay, this should be the month plus year, and then there should be total receipt transfer. Okay, this is perfect. And uh, we have, okay, we need to make a pop-up reutilize. So, hmm, please remember. Okay, good category. Okay, what says now? Added groceries, added subscription. Okay, this is perfect. And can we have the save button? This okay. AI with the save button. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, now it has like two. Okay, they can select between two models. Oh, this is uh perfect. This is perfect, but this is not. No, 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 this is not code I want to. So we just pick at this. Since we do not have any AI model, hmm, let's make it weird. Okay. Do not replicate the. Do not. Sorry. Think about. But, this is a Figma design for the provider. Uh, we uh, we are only using the DeepSeek, which are really affordable and so. And for the so we can remove the provider tab to select option, and we design it according to Figma, where we have this model where we need the model. We can enter the model name, and then we have like API. And at the bottom, instead of using the AI button, I want to use the info icon there, and maybe increase the font by 2 pixels. Okay, I think hope this will work now. Since OpenAI API is really expensive, and you have to like go through like multiples of hundreds and thousands of emails and their bodies and everything, and this is like really large data we are like cleaning up. Then API like OpenAI, if for example, is OpenAI doing a job in like $10, the DeepSeek will be do that in the like 40, 50 cents, maybe lower, like way cheaper. I look up. Okay, let's go to the Figma where we are designing the, and we need to like, oh, okay, we have this. I think we can use this one. This has better start. Hmm. So this is होगा the data detail होगा something like this. Data detail. Here we have we can use this one. This we do not need this status. We can use the uh, okay. We can just reverse it. Mm, done and then okay. Then we hmm, we're showing everything there. Then how we can do the breakdown? Okay, we can do this like duration. Maybe yep, duration. So technically, it should be a month, but it can be like two to next two, and so on, like something like this. Hmm. And I think we can hide this one. I think we can just delete this one and add this thing over here. Design the serial. Okay, now we have like enough thing duration. Then we have like this total receipt. Then token, and we have like total amount, total spend. Sorry, totals. Nope, nobody's here. Here. Okay, now okay. I think this is like small pop-up we have. Then we can add two of these buttons. One is like delete a bit. Yes, we can have delete over here, and then what else we have? This is a resync. I can do this resync, and then this will be the export. Yeah, export data. Are we? Okay. Sorry, we should be in the design. And we have data. It's technically not a vibe code. It's like designing and then vibe coding to just have a little bit of difference. I can make it green, but nah, I'm not doing this. Reload. This should be fine. And I also built another app, which is basically like a movie shows and everything player, but it's really totally free. It to work basically using torrent streams, so it's kind of piracy, and then that way I can like publish it to any Google services or any if you want, I can op- can share with you guys like on like a page which is not like open to Google to crawl on it to get our ban or website. We can do that, but it's really cool. It has like cool UI, and then like everything, the cost, anime, and the shows, they're all like free. You can watch. Uh, okay. Okay. I think we can from data and backup. Can you remove the export data tab? Yes. I think वो extra ही था. Again, it did the same thing, man. एक पागल हो चुका है. Connect AI page is not exactly how I have in the Figma. And if you fix that, can you look into it? Why is it not showing the updated updates? Okay, now it's showing. It's showing. It is showing. Sorry, let's go back. And okay, now I have just data tab. Okay, I think this is. I think we are like at the end. But we also need to just make sure that these notifications should look good. Ugly, ha, ugly notification. Okay. This. Oh, this is the new data piece I have. Everything's like pretty much same. We remove the top info card and everything. We remove the buttons from the each card, and when someone tap on it, it should show this pop-up. This pop-up. Copy this link. Okay. So this pop-up we have basically showing the little bit of breakdown of what we have, like duration of this month, like then we receive the price, basically everything which we are showing on this card. But at the bottom we have this three button and delete export data. When click on that, it download the CSV file of that month, and also then we have like a reload button which I already have. And make sure to use the same pop-up component we are using for the receipts, categories, and throughout the app. Uh, okay, it is okay. I think this is it. Now we just need to fix the notifications. Okay, notification. Okay, notifications. Okay, and then we also have a button which is mark as complete, or we can at the bottom. We can add at the bottom. Hmm, One more thing. So the AI and okay, and the all setting pages we do not show the navigation bar there. And can you add a like small pill at the bottom when someone add a API keys and everything or change something? It shows the save or API key selected, or like basically all the changes. Like if someone do the currency change and everything, basically a small pill ticker which comes up above the navigation bar and shows this thing. Mm, it should use the our design system, colors, font, and everything. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock. We have been doing live stream for 2 hours. Damn, bro. Huh, I think after this data thing, I think I'll say this is it for now. Let me just download this. Okay, and just opening this up. Perfect. I think this is perfect. Perfect. You can see and notes. Hmm. Well, and okay. Oh, yes. Since we're linked with the Google account, we can also like create a job or something where we can like back up this data to our Google Drive folder, where like, I think that will be the next step. But let's see what happens. And the biometric is working. And I think we should remove this edit button from preferences. Um, I got a cleanup for the node to delete one information. Okay, let's just do one thing. Go to this and go to this and then delete this thing. Okay, it's deleting. So this is something like actually AI should look the mobile app. The subscription, then is like upcoming. This is those are okay. Let's just okay. We do have like bill. Uh, hmm, okay, okay, nice. It is something happening. Okay, it has this shadow. Okay, it is not like. Mm, okay. Let's go. Let's delete this one. Okay. So, so the warning pop-up while we're deleting something, it is right now uh, covering by the pop-up we created, and just like this as the index pop-up and so. And I want you to recreate that warning pop-up of like deleting something, everything, using our pop-up component we created. And when someone click on delete, it will swap. Uh, it will yes, it will swap the pop-up with the warning pop-up. Okay, let's see. This look ugly. Shoot. For this warning pop-up, I want to use same design layouts. We have the main title font should be like 16, and the below should be like 12-ish, and then make sure all the content is like center align, and these button should uh, have the icon. Delete should have the delete icon, and the cancel should have like the X. Uh, okay. It is making. I think we should not have to give it everything. This. Yes, this is perfect right now. Okay, this is good. Yep. Hmm. Can both of the buttons have the white background and the basically the text of icon and the color of the it should be the red. So just okay, just check cancel. Okay, when cancel it come back to the this pop up. It should like close it up. On the warning. Uh, on the warning pop-up when it says to cancel it, just close all the pop-ups. Okay. Okay, let's. I think this is good. Let's go to the receipt and then. Again, this is good. Just I will need some sort of animation there. Yes. Hmm. And like add like animation of like switching between uh the receipt pop-up or any pop-up to the warning pop-up. Okay, I think it should now, and to cancel it, just close everything. Yes, I think this is Mm, okay. Okay. This way, just message.